people to making some Black Forest pancetta, long cured bacon, I suppose. Pretty much what Andy and I did was cut up the pork belly, like trim it up, to get rid of all the excess fat on the top, as you can see. For the spices, we pretty much did what Black Forest seasoning that we did is common, which is like black pepper, allspice, juniper, coriander, something else. Anywho, we pretty much made it all up, blend it up, and garlic and cinnamon. Blend it all up, and we started to rub it on with 2.25% salt by volume, or by weight, and Insecure number 2, or it's night white, or night, whatever number 2 is. I keep mixing up the 1 and the 2 of what they actually do. So yeah, it's the longer you can let it age and let it sit for, the better the flavor, the better the seasoning it will become. The original weight was 553 grams. The weight that I finally weighed at was like 333 grams. So, entire weight loss of 40%, which for a pork belly is like the magical, which is like unheard of. It's like the unicorn of meat curing in terms of just doing stuff, which I was really surprised at. I had to weigh it again just to make sure it was reading correctly. I was like, that can't be right. It can't be. But yes, it is. So yeah, that just all of the reason we pretty much used the pickling salt is the iodine in the table salt can cause like botulism and spoil the meat, which that's never good eats in my opinion. But hey, that's just my opinion. Plus I like the bigger chunks of salt in whether it's pickling salt, kosher salt, which I know of the Jewish faith cannot eat pork because of the customs and what it says in the Torah, or whatever the book is. I'm not trying to be making fun of it. I can't remember on the top of my head. That reminds me of the I came across this article of how there's halal pork. There is no fucking thing as halal pork. It's like, what? How much dank ass weed are you taking to come up with that? Like, come on. But anyway, that's just my rant. So yeah, cured for 6 weeks as of me doing my recording for voiceover. And he has been busy with being with his wife as she came over from Vietnam to Canada, just trying to support her and to become a family of their own, which I really want to support him being successful in that way. But anyway, that's my thoughts. If you want to support us, I will give some links in the description below of ways you can support this channel, which Andy and I split all the profits 50-50 and whatnot, so any little bit will help. Especially in this economy, so